Manitoba Hydro Solar Program, ending April 30th, 2018. Get 30% rebate when you apply now. How do you get a free estimate? Email Manitoba Hydro, earthpowerinfo@hydro.mb.ca. Your name, address, and hydro account number. Ask for your rebate and consumption. When they respond, send your info to support@evolvegreen.ca. We need your name, phone number, and address with the hydro information. Evolve Green will provide you with a free estimate. If you want to move forward, we do not require a deposit when the application to Hydro goes in. When you have your approval from Hydro, we will require 20% down unless you are going with a Hydro loan. You also can wait. You do have 1 year from the date of approval to install your solar system. Here at Evolve Green, we do all the paperwork so your experience is worry-free. Want to reduce your costs? Did you know you can work on our crew during your project? Yes, that's right. You can work with us, learn all about your solar system, and reduce your costs at the same time. We do have a great referral program as well. Ask us how to get involved. Evolve Green has a 5-year warranty on our systems and 25-year warranty on the solar panels. Need help after warranty? No problem. We have a $99 maintenance package, so in year 6 and up, if you need help, you're only charged $99 for that calendar year. Only Evolve Green customers have this deal. Do you want to be covered for power outages? Ask us about our amazing battery backup packages so you are not left in the dark. www.evolvegreen.ca. Experts in renewables since 2008. Also providing wind, solar thermal, solar streetlights, mobile power solutions. 18665 EVOLVE. www.evolvegreen.ca.